Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another very important concept in the topic of speed and time. A topic which you can't just ignore and neglect if you are preparing for any quantitative aptitude competitive exam. And this problem is actually a part of the class 10th syllabus, but very frequently asked in all Olympiads and all placement exams. So you need to watch the complete video if you want to learn the shortest possible method of cracking this problem of speed and time. I tell you what, if you practice this, you will be able to solve this in 10 seconds time. And traditional method, I think 4 to 5 minutes will be the time taken to solve the question, and that too by using quadratic equations. So no equations, nothing, just a small short trick and we get to the answer. So what is the trick all about? Increasing the speed to reach on time. So obviously when you start late, what do you have to do if you want to reach on time? If you start late, you have to increase your speed so that you can reach on time. So these are the questions which we are going to take up, and this is a part of the chapter number 1 of volume 2 of the ultimate guide of speed mathematics. That is available in the ebook form also. So if you want a copy of all the short tricks at one place, you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. All these details which I have written here are contained in the description of this video as well. So friends, let's first understand what type of questions are asked in this, and then I'll tell you the concept. Then we will apply it to solve some questions. So for the first thing, I'm going to show you a question. Here you can see there is an express train which takes 2 hours less for a journey of 300 kilometers. And when will it take 2 hours less? When it increases the speed. So when it increases the speed by 5 km per hour from its usual speed. So we need to find the usual speed of the train. So what is the answer for the question going to be? Let's first understand what is going on in the question, and then we will surely get to the short trick also. Here we have a particular time which is like the less time. That means it consumes 2 hours less when the speed is increased. So we have how much time is less time. That means how much less it is taking to reach on time, and then the increase in speed. These are the two things which are given in the question. Now, if I take the first one as t1 time and the increase in speed as s1, see, suppose this time is say 1 hour and the speed increase is 4 km per hour. So 4 km per hour increase results in 1 hour less. So if it is 8, that means double, this will be 2 hours less, right? So if we apply this here, if less time is t2, then obviously speed becomes something else, s2. Likewise, if it is t3, then s3. If it is t4, then s4. Now how far should we write this? You will notice one very important thing here, that when you cross multiply this speed into time and like this speed into time, you are going to get the same product. You will observe that. And that product which you are obtaining has to be equal to the distance which is given in the question. Like if I show you the first question again, it was 300 kilometers. So at a place where the cross product becomes equal to the distance, there you have the answer. So maybe here the cross product is same, but it is not equal to the distance given. So you will have to check like this, cross product like this, or you have to check like this. So you have to keep on checking the cross products till you obtain that cross product which is equal to the distance given in the question. And what will be your final answer? This speed. Suppose this cross product gives you the required distance. So the speed which is mentioned first will be the usual speed of the question. Let's apply this because I know this is getting a little tricky. So we can apply it to this question now. So if you see here, 2 hours less. So 2 hours when the speed is increased by 5. So 2 5. Now I have to make it double. So 2 5, 4 10, 6 15, 8 20, 10 25. So we have to do like this. And now the distance covered is 300 kilometers. So let's check where do we get 300. So 10 15 I'll write, 10 and 25 I'll write again here, 12 and 30, then 14 and 35 like this. Here it is just 20, right? I need 300. Here it is 60, still let's go on. Here it is 120, still we have to go on. 8 into 25, 200, still we have to go on. 10 into 30, yes. See, it gives me 300, which is equal to the distance given in the question. And so where is the answer? The answer is this speed. So the usual speed of the train is 25 km/h. Isn't that easy? Now when we start applying it, you will realize that it is not all that difficult. Let's do one more question, you will feel more comfortable. Here, so in this question, you can see we have the speed is increased by 20, right? So we'll write a 20 here. And how much time? The journey takes 2 hours less. So 2 for 20, 4 for 40, 6 for 60, 8 for 80. Like this you have to go on. And where do we have to reach? 480. So here it is only 80. Here it is 240. Look at this. This times this 6 into 80 is 480. And so this is the cross product which is giving you the desired distance, and therefore the answer is 60 km/h. And that is the exact answer which you want. Isn't that easy, friends? You want to practice more? Let's take 2 more questions. So there is an airplane which flies at a distance of this many. So we need the product equal to 1200. By increasing the speed by 100, so increase in speed is 100, the time taken is reduced by 1 hour. So 1, so 2 means 200, 3 means 300, 4 means 400, 5 means 500, like this. Now the cross product should be equal to 1200. Here it is 200, 600, here we go, 1200. See, this is the pair which is giving me 1200 required distance, and so the smaller speed 300 km/h is the answer for the question. Now how much time are you going to take to do this? 10 seconds, right? One more question. Increase by 15, so we have a 15, and it takes 1 hour less, so 1. 2 means 30, 3 means 45, 4 means 60. So we got it here. See, 3 times 60 is 180, and therefore the answer is 45 km/h. So that is the usual speed. So cracking these questions through short trick is far more easier, and obviously in quantitative aptitude you get these questions as MCQs. So knowing the short tricks is really important. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends. Do post the link of this video on all your social media platforms so that they also can learn these things. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications on your mobile itself. Practice at least 10 to 15 such questions and let me know whether this method is working for you or not. All the best.